Hi. Coordinating conjunctions join words and phrases and clauses together. In this video, I'll show you the coordinating conjunctions which are and, but, or, so, yet, nor, and for. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions which can be remembered by or with the help of fans boy or fanboys. So we can see that in this acronym, all the 7 conjunctions which are and, but, or, so, yet, nor, for, they are there. Use and when adding things together. Use but for differences or for contrasting facts. And or is used when there is a choice. So is used when there is a result. Yet is similar to but or still or nevertheless. Nor is that a negative form of or, so there is no choice left. So once we use nor, this is a negative form of or without leaving any choice. And the last one, that is for, is similar to because when it is used as a conjunction. So let's start illustrating, or with the help of examples we should be able to understand all of these 7 conjunctions one by one. The first one is and. And is commonly used to join 2 clauses together to form a compound sentence. I have eggs and toast for breakfast. So if I say that I like eggs and I like toast. So actually I is subject over here, like is a verb, eggs is an object. Similarly, I is a subject, like is a verb, and toast is an object. They are connected by the conjunction and. So and is commonly used to join 2 clauses. In this sentence we can see that this is first clause and I like toast is the second clause. So both the clauses in this sentence are being joined together to make a sentence or compound sentence with the help of conjunction and. Now we have another sentence that is similar with a subject, a verb, and object. So over here, I is subject, I have eggs and toast for breakfast. So have is verb, eggs and toast. We can see over here that these 2 are object of the sentence. I is subject, have is verb, eggs and toast. They are actually plural form of object. I have eggs and toast. So I is subject, have is verb, and eggs and toast, they are actually object. For breakfast, we know that this is a prepositional phrase. So we can see that the words eggs and toast, they are joined together with the help of conjunction and. So we can see that conjunction and joins two clauses or two words or more than two words or clauses together in order to make what? In order to make compound sentences. But I have eggs and toast for breakfast. This is a simple sentence. This sentence is a simple sentence. Eggs and toast are easy to make. Over here, eggs and toast, they are functioning as a subject. Are is a verb according to the plurality of the subject, easy to make. So we can see that eggs and toast are easy to make. So over here it is eggs and toast. Eggs and toast are being connected with the help of and, which is a conjunction. Similarly, look at this sentence, I like eggs and I like toast. So as I have mentioned earlier, this is a clause. I like toast is another clause. So both the clauses are being connected with the help of and. So this is actually a conjunction and. I like eggs and toast. Over here, this is subject, like is verb, eggs and toast, both of them, they are actually, the object. So they are object. This whole part is an object, and this is actually connected by or joined by the conjunction and. Now, let's move towards another conjunction, that is but. Use the conjunction but to show differences or contrast. As I like toast for breakfast, but I don't like eggs. So over here in this particular sentence, I is a subject, like is a verb, toast is an object over here. And for breakfast is a prepositional phrase. So this is one part, and it is joined by conjunction but. I don't like eggs. Again, I is subject, this is verb, again this is main verb, and all eggs are object. So I like toast for breakfast, but I don't like eggs. Here we have used the conjunction but that separates two clauses, and it shows the difference between these two clauses. Means I like toast for breakfast, but. So this is the contrasting statement, or this is the commencement or the beginning of the contrast or difference. I don't like eggs. Similarly, look at sentence number 2. I like toast for breakfast, but not eggs. So over here, I is subject, like is verb, toast is an object over here, for breakfast is again a prepositional phrase, but is a conjunction, not eggs over here, this is again object. So this frames or this forms a simple or one simple sentence. I like toast for breakfast but not eggs. Now let's move towards the third one, that is or. But is done. Use or for some kind of a choice. If there is some choice, use or as a conjunction. I usually have eggs and toast for breakfast. So over here we can see that eggs and toast, two things. So it is being connected by not being, we are not supposed to write and. I usually have eggs or toast for breakfast. It was written mistakenly. So I usually have eggs, and the other choice is toast. Either I use eggs or toast for my breakfast. So it's this or this, means it's this or this, mean eggs or toast that is used in my breakfast, but not the both. You can also use the word either. For example, I either have eggs or toast for breakfast. It means I don't like eggs, I don't like toast. I either, sorry, I either have eggs means this actually either is supporting or. So we can use this particular structure as well. It means that I either have eggs or toast for breakfast. The sense remains the same as the first sentence, but either is supporting or further reiterating or helping or to give a force. Now let's move on to the next conjunction, which is nor. Use nor when there is no choice left. I like neither eggs nor toast, means again just like either, this neither is supporting nor. So no choice is left. I don't like eggs. It means I don't like eggs and I don't like toast. So no choice means if you are offered with eggs or toast, you say I like neither eggs nor toast. It means I am left with no choice. I don't have the choice for eggs as well as toast. So coming to so, use so for some kind of a result. I was hungry, so I made breakfast. Here is the result. What is the result? I made the breakfast. Why? Because I was hungry. So I was hungry, so shows the result. What is the result? I made breakfast. So what is the reason behind making breakfast? So that result is due to the hunger. So I was hungry, so shows the result. What is that result? I made breakfast. So this result is due to the hunger. So is that conjunction that shows result or some kind of result. I was so hungry. Over here we can see that I is subject, was is a verb. Over here this so is not a conjunction, it is an adverb. Why? Because this is qualifying this adjective. So this is describing this. I was so hungry. So we should not take so all the time as a conjunction. It is not connecting or joining two words. Rather, it is qualifying or it is describing an adjective over here. So that we know that adverb and adverb is a word that describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Now let's take this example. I was hungry, so I ate. Over here, I was hungry, so this is conjunction over here. Why? Because this is the result, means so I ate, means I ate. The result is due to hunger. I was hungry, so I ate. So this is conjunction over here. This is not an adverb. Now moving forward to another conjunction, that is yet. Yet it is a conjunction that is similar to but to undermine reasons. But or still, or in some cases we may use this particular conjunction in terms of nevertheless. So this conjunction that is yet, it is similar to but or still or nevertheless in order to undermine reasons. For example, breakfast is on the table, yet no one is ready to eat. So over here, this yet is being used in order to join and this is being used as a conjunction. We can see that breakfast is on the table, yet, but, still, nevertheless means no one is ready to eat. Either the breakfast was not good, or no one was hungry. So breakfast is on the table, yet no one is ready to eat means nobody was willing to eat it. So yet again shows undermining any reason. Now look at another example. No one is ready to eat yet. So over here we can see that yet is not being used as conjunction. This is not a conjunction over here. Rather, it is an adverb. Means up to now. Adverb of time. So this is an adverb. That means it is not a conjunction, but it is being used as an adverb over here. So over there it was conjunction, but over here no one is ready to eat. So it is describing this verb. That's why it is not a conjunction. So it will be totally wrong to use it as conjunction. Rather, it is an adverb because it shows up to now no one was ready. No one is ready to eat. Now, last one. Last conjunction is for. When for is used as a conjunction, that means because. This has a formal feeling to it. It's not easy to use for. Eggs are good for breakfast, for they are nutritious and filling. So over here, this for is a preposition. This one is a preposition, but this for is a conjunction. Hope you understand the concept.